Yep, so we're on the Old Man of Coniston today, and it's the highest point in Lancashire, 2,635 feet. Glorious day. Yeah, dripping me sweat here. There, mate. Feels great though. And this is one of the 214 Wainwrights, this is, in England. I have to get that Alfred Wainwright book. Looks brilliant. He was a guy who documented the Lake District, Alfred Wainwright. The old mountain ascent. Summit of the Old Man of Coniston. Nice. So in the far distance there you've got the highest point in the whole of England, which is Scafell Pike. Right in the centre of the screen there, the highest point that is. I want to try and do that again when the weather's better in the future. Back to Scafell Pike hopefully. But there's tons of mountains around here to do. Really is. There you go. God bless you, Geoff. Geoff Jones. So that tarn down there is called Low Water, and he used to supply the quarries hundreds of years ago. Low Water. Little geology fact of the day then: igneous volcanic rock for the Old Man of Coniston. And to be honest, most of the mountains around here are volcanic, and it's known as the Borrowdale Volcanic Group. You can see all the rock there formed from volcanoes. Yeah, the Borrowdale Volcanic Group. So as you can see, it's quite a winding path up to the summit. Always easier and nicer when you're descending. Good sense of achievement as well. Feels great. Gives you a real buzz. Does for me anyway. So it was used as a copper and slate quarry, the Old Man of Coniston, for over 800 years apparently. Really reminds me of Moleshabod. This does in Wales. I guess because Moleshabod used to be a slate quarry as well. So yeah, you see a lot of slate around on this mountain. Oh, you're alright here. Hello. Carry on. So I passed those two girls this morning, and I was starting at 9:30. Since I was struggling, so just goes to show, not easy these mountain hikes. It's considered a holy mountain by the Aetherius Society, which is a religious movement. The Old Man of Coniston. It's considered a holy mountain. cracking, that's for sure. So that's the old man slate quarries. Hit the peak around the 15th century, 1500s. Starting around the 12th to 13th century. Don't see too often on mountains though. .6 miles. Tell you what, seems longer than that. Some of the largest copper mines in Britain existed around Coniston. Incredible place, the Lake District. Really is. I mean, look at that there, hi. Absolutely incredible, isn't it? Don't want to go home. Amazing. So you would have seen I left a stone at the summit today with Geoff on it, and that one was for Geoff Jones. It's my good friend Oliver's dad. He's a good lad, Geoff. So that was for you, Geoff. Rest in peace. God bless you. So you have to ascend this when the trial starts, and it's quite a steep intro, to say the least. That's it, then I'm all done with another one. That was the Old Man of Coniston. So see you next time, guys. Peace. 7¼ mile. Superb. There's another mountain here in the distance. That's known as the Young Man of Coniston. Shut up. Fucking idiot.